For the number 37, we're trying to determine whether the series is convergent or divergent. And now the series here, we can see that it is a geometric series because the way that it is set up, we have some number raised to a power k, and in this case, k is the index, and it's indexed by the natural numbers. And we can see here that it matches up perfectly with what we have, the definition for the geometric series. And so now the geometric series, we're summing up, so this ratio here, which is pi over 3, so we're summing up pi over 3 plus pi over 3 to the power of 2 plus pi over 3 to the power of 3, and so on and so forth. And we can see that there is an actual sum that we can compute if and only if the absolute value of the ratio, so the thing that is being raised to the power, is less than 1. Because if it's less than 1, then it means that it is convergent and we can actually find the sum. Whereas if the absolute value is equal to or greater than 1, that means that it's not, that it is divergent. So we have our series here. It's indexed by the natural numbers beginning at k is equal to 0 to infinity of pi over 3 to the power of k. Now, we have to, since the ratio, if we compare it to the formula, to this formula here, we can see that the value a, so the thing that's, the constant that's being multiplied here is just 1, that's kind of hidden, so we have that a is equal to 1. And the ratio, so the thing that's being raised to power, and the ratio is pi over 3. Now we have to see, what's the absolute value of pi over 3? Is that greater than or equal to 1 or smaller than 1? Well, pi is 3.114 and so on and so forth. So if we divide this by 3, we can clearly see that that's bigger than 1. So since we have that the absolute value of pi over 3 is greater than 1, what it means here is that this thing is going to be divergent. And this is because if we take pi over 3, which is greater than 1, and we raise it to the power of infinity, we take that limit, it means that it's going to get infinitely big. So with every term that you add, your sum is just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, and it's never going to actually converge anywhere. So for this, we say that the absolute value of pi over 3 is greater than 1, so it diverges. That is it for problem 37.